Hello people and welcome back to yet another amazing episode on Maxi channel. Today we'll watch road rage, close calls, and of course some random bikers encounters. Overall, this is going to be one epic episode with everything you need, so make sure to sit tight, stick till the end and enjoy. Considering this was a harsh curve, accidents are bound to happen. Here we have a close call that could have been almost fatal.
Okay.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Java was not paying attention to his mirrors, and as a result, this biker could have gotten hurt.
It's right there.
Leaving potentially dangerous tools on the ground is something that should immediately be taken care of, just like this biker did. This biker had something unique to show us. You really don't see this every day.
E aí, mano? Opa! Deixa eu apagar o foguete aqui. Oh, e aí, bom ou não? 100%?
Usually, we use this for car washes, but this guy went a step above that and used it for his bike. Also in the process, cleaned himself too.
Fudeu, velho! Fudeu!
Biker had a long straight road ahead of him and got into a tank sliper. Luckily, he managed to stay on his bike. While commuting early in the morning, troubles were waiting around every corner. Check out how this biker deals with them.
Oh, that's a turn signal and a half you got there, pal! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, your turn signal's broken, man. It don't work. So that one works. It's like that. That stop sign, man. You go ahead. Somebody else waiting besides me and you. Some ignorant ass people on the road.
Alguien, este Volkswagen, vamos a alguien. Uy, uy, uy.
Se están peleando.
Uy, 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 se están peleando. Vamos a alguien. Uy, 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 se están peleando. Se están peleando, se están peleando. Le tiró el auto encima. Uy, 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 uy. Uy, 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 uy. Le tiró el auto encima. Uy, no, están re mal de la cabeza estos dos. Estos dos son un peligro.
She pushed the driver out of the lane and nearly caused him to hit the guardrail. Luckily, he managed to go in a different direction. Biker confronted this crazy driver about the situation she just caused and wanted for her to explain herself.
¿Tiró el auto?
Tiró el auto, auto encima.
Al principio pensé que era usted que estaba tirando, pero no.
No, él me tiró, me cruzó el auto así de costado porque yo me metí para cruzar uno.
Sí.
No le hice nada.
Sí.
Y me tiró el auto encima.
Bueno, calmémonos porque por sus... Eso es verdad, pero bueno, despacio, tranquilo, tranquilo.
What are you doing? Oh my God.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Driver in Mercedes thought he was tough and threw out a bottle through his window, and this biker was not taking it lightly. Check it out.
Gooi je nou een flesje eruit? Gooi je nou een beker uit die auto? Gooi je nou een beker uit de auto? Het is niet helemaal netjes, hè? Het is niet helemaal netjes, hè? Nee, ik ben normaal, dat is het. Jongen, doe even normaal. Ik zeg alleen dat je...
Zo'n manier, dat zeg je toch? Dat geef je toch aan op een nette manier? Ga je de wereld...
The argument went on for quite some time. Driver went crazy wondering who he was to stop him like he did.
Maar wat gaat jou dat aan, vriend? Wat gaat jou dat aan?
Nee, ik vraag me af of dat normaal is.
Kankermoer aan, vriend.
Oh, kanker zelfs. Oké.
Gal ben jij, maar serieus, man.
Oh, ik ben de Mongool.
Biker, of course, responded calmly that he was just concerned about the environment, and he wanted to keep it clean.
Voordat het dicht gaat, ga maar weg. Dit is niet normaal. Wat je nu doet is echt niet normaal.
Voordat hij dicht gaat?
Voordat het hek dicht gaat.
Nee, maar ik wil...
Doe even normaal, jongen.
Ik doe heel normaal.
Nee, je doet niet normaal.
Ga nou niet...
Biker told him that he was acting up just because of a thrown bottle which he could have threw in a nearby garbage can when he got home, or wherever he was going.
Ja, vind je dat normaal? Dat is toch een hele normale vraag?
Ga je lekker aftrekken of zo, man?
Nou, ik vind je anders wel een hele mooie jongen.
Nou, dat vindt je moeder ook.
100%. Hey, goed jongen. Rukker.
You've got to be kidding me. What a...
Hey! An idiot.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the main purpose of this channel, to make you think and learn on the mistakes of others. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for your support, and until the next episode, ride safe and stay safe.